Hi, 3D design class. Welcome to my bathroom. This might seem like a peculiar place to see a teaching module, but I'm doing this on purpose. Just fix that so you can see the room a little bit. So a few summers ago, I was getting ready to renovate this bathroom, and we had started the 3D design class. I was familiar with Sketchup, so before we gutted the room, I went ahead and did a SketchUp model of what the room would look like. That way my wife and I could move furniture around, try the sink here, try the toilet here. Should we use a tub? Should we use a shower stall? We went with the shower stall and really built the whole thing out in SketchUp before I went ahead and built everything in here. And I went ahead and built everything in here, gutted the room down to the studs, to the tile work, converted this credenza over here with the soapstone on it. It was a big project. That is not what I expect you to do. All I want you to do is do this virtual 3D model of the room that you intend to renovate. I will also share with you a SketchUp for Schools model that I quickly threw together of this room. So now when you see that 3D model, you can see what it would look like in real life as well. So when I made this SketchUp model of this room, simply measure out the room. This is what you're going to be doing for yours. Make sure you get that floor plan footprint of the room with the rectangle tool. Then you're just going to grab it, pull it up to the height of the ceiling. You'll need to know the height of the ceiling. This room is an 8-foot ceiling. So you'll get a big cube or geometric shape that is your room. Then you pop out a couple of walls and you can go in there and do your work. If you want to give your walls dimension, you could do that by adding a thin rectangle outside the wall to the size of the wall and then pull that up as well. You have all the tools you need because of your experience with the tutorials, so you can go right to it. If you have any questions, please email me. A few people have been emailing me with difficulties. I'm ready to answer those. I might not write right back to you, but I will within a couple of hours. And you've been sharing your tutorials with me. They've been rolling in, so keep doing that. I'm going to, starting tomorrow, start to look at those, and you're going to see them pop up in PowerSchool as little classwork grades. So if you haven't finished the tutorials, please get that done. Jump into the big room renovation. Oh, as soon as you start your room renovation, share it with me. That way I can look in on them at any time. So you throw down the floor, you pull up the walls, you pop out a couple of walls, you put in a window, you're getting ready to save it and be done for the day. Save it and go onto your Google Drive and share it with me. And I'll be able to look in on it real time, anytime, to see what you're up to. Okay, so good luck, have fun, stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll get back to you in a couple of days. Bye.